On behalf of Principal, Principal and teachers, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you. We are honored to have special guests with us, whose presence adds great value to this. I always take pride in saying that this is the institution I belong to because of the unity, integrity, and moral it upholds. I thank our principal, teachers, students, and parents for being present here today. Without all of your contribution and dedication, this institute would not have achieved that greatness we are here to celebrate. We hope this day turns out to be as amazing as it started with them. Let us start with our program. Thank you for listening.